with a trim tool. We're going to take the piece off here for the handle. Let's see if you can just grab it. Pull that plastic forward. There's 2 Phillips screws in there. We're going to move this plastic piece up here. So it's just a trim tool, slide it, a little blue clip comes undone. Now we're going to take the trim piece off on the inner handle. So just the plastic trim tool, push it in there. It should come right out. Phillips screwdriver. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to lift the master switch up. And disconnect it. Now with the trim tool, I'm going to start to unpop the door panel pins. Bring my hand all the way down. Should be able to just grab it, lift it up. Now we have the inner door handle cable attachment. So that's pretty easy. Here are the 2 locations for those. So you have that 3-stage, just push it right in. We're just going to undo the connector for the mirror. So there's a tab right there, push in on it, lift up. We have 3 mounting bolts, 10mm socket. And that way that you can hold the mirror for the last one. You can see these are self screw for the plastic. So the new mirror comes with 3 new mounting bolts. These are bolt thread and not self-tapping for the plastic like the factory ones. So you need to use these on the replacement mirror. So we're going to go from the outside, fish that wire through, take that plastic piece off. That's just a guide pin. So let's fish the wire through. I actually have these wind reflectors, so I'm going to go up underneath that, line up that pin. There we go. That was just the rain guard. Not let it sit. Start them by hand because those brass fittings, you don't want them to strip or spin in the plastic. So I'm just going to snug them down and then I will retighten them. But you want all of them to be seated before you snug them 100%. See, now we know the mirror is set right in place. Just gonna move that wire around a little bit. Set the connector up till it clicks. So once you have your trim piece painted to the color that you want it to match, you're just gonna line up all these little tabs, push it on till it clicks. So now I'm going to take that door panel, put it back on. That's the main switch, but we're going to guide this through, get it to snap in again. That main window switch, go up on the top there. Slide that in place. Push that down. And then you can go pop it in all the way around. I'm going to put the door handle screw back in first. Then I'm going to put the 2 mounting bolts for the main handle. Grab the main switch. Let's hook it up. So we're going to go, has a front clip and a back hook. So we're going to go into the back side of the handle first, then push it down. Same with this, we're going to line it up. We have 2 hooks on the bottom, 2 hooks on the top. Same with the inside. There you go. The mirror trim, last one, pretty easy.